So then with the COVID since almost a year, like everybody is wearing mask and you see people, the child, youngster, teenage, old people, everyone is wearing mask. So do you think it is like a must or is it rational to wear mask?
Well, Kushi, so we are sitting for an interview with a safe distance maintained here and yet not wearing mask, first of all. It's the
Yes.
most important point what I want to make. And here we have a question whether wearing mask for COVID times is justified or not.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we need to understand, see that COVID virus, actually when enters our body, uh, it enters our body when we get it from somebody else, and it starts multiplying inside us. And once it multiplies inside us, it increases in quantity inside our secretions into the oral cavity. And whenever I will cough, or whenever I speak, or whenever I will sneeze, this virus will be thrown into the air in a sort of an aerosol. Okay, fine. And there is a very high chance, if you are not wearing a mask, that you will inhale that virus and those virus particles will go inside you.
Okay.
So, technically speaking, if I am suffering from COVID, if I wear a mask and if you wear a mask, the chances that virus reaching to your oral secretions or nasal secretions is highly reduced. So, the answer is yes. Wearing a mask definitely reduces the transmission of virus from one person to another. There is
Okay.
no doubt about it. Absolutely no doubt about it.
Okay. But does it work all the time wearing mask?
Well, very important. What I understand from this question is one thing is, does it really work all the time if we wear a mask?
Yes.
I am wearing a mask, you are wearing a mask, and if at all we don't maintain a certain amount of social distance, if we come very close to one another wearing a mask, will it be transmitted? Yes, I would say yes. There are high chances. Yes, wearing N95 mask is the most protective one. The surgical masks and the other cotton masks, they do have some protection, but not as much as N95 mask does. Okay, so as far as possible, N95 is recommended. However, they are out of stock, very difficult to find, very difficult to wear also.
Okay.
Now, bringing to the point, is it really necessary that we wear mask all the time? Okay. Now, I want to, with this question, what you asked, I want to talk about certain ill effects of the mask. Okay. What my idea is, I want to pass through this video a message that we did not get panic about. We don't have to become obsessed about wearing a mask.
Okay.
And let's talk about what are the side effects of wearing a mask. So we have something called as short-term side effects, and something called as long-term side effects. Okay. Short-term side effects is very simple side effects like the way you said. Okay. It's very uncomfortable.
Yes.
It's very uncomfortable. You feel when you go out wearing this mask, you feel like jitna jaldi ho sake, as far as possible, let me
You
get
want
rid
to
of it.
just get rid of it.
Yes, get rid of it. Okay. I would say yes, you can get rid of it. If you want to get rid of it, ensure that not many people are around you. Go to a quiet place, okay,
Yes.
in the open area, and you can take a breather. You can breathe for yourself. So it
Yeah.
becomes very difficult. So that's one of the side effects. Not only that, wearing mask has not only created discomfort in terms of physical discomfort, it has also created discomfort in terms of mental agony. It's become a mental agony for many people, wearing mask all the time. Okay, leading people to they have become paranoid wearing a mask. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, that is which has become a very harmful effect of wearing a mask. Second thing is people who have been wearing mask and over conscious, who are extra enthusiast about having a tight seal, they have
Yes.
landed up having abrasions all around their nose.
Yes.
There are
Till
people
here.
who have there are people who have landed up having abrasions. This is
Yes.
one of the side effects of wearing that mask.
Yeah.
Constantly wearing it for a long period of time. I think to avoid this, what you can take is, maybe if you're not working in the COVID ICUs or COVID hospitals, if you're wearing it outside, you can always take it off for some time. Go around at a place where it's open. You can always give some time for the skin to relax. Okay. The other side effect is a lot of people are having pain around the ear wearing those bands.
Yes. Yes. I
Okay.
get pain.
Yes. So ladies, a lot of people are having pain around the ear, and there is a sense of irritability which is coming. So these are some of the short-term effects of the mask. Now I want to talk about more dangerous long-term side effects of this wearing a mask. Okay, and this have to be noted very very clearly. See, you need to understand, we humans have evolved over millions of years. We are not humans over hundreds of years or thousands of years. We are humans, and this body has evolved into
Since
millions
age
of
time.
years. Yes, and it is tough. It is evolved in such a way that not many organisms or viruses can actually affect us. You know, the atmosphere which we live in, it is all flooded with viruses, bacteria, but yet we never get diseases. Okay, the reason is we have defense systems which has developed through this evolution. Now the most important part about evolution is that if you see, we breathe and the air comes from nose and it comes through this air passages, it enters into our windpipe and it comes into the lungs. The reason is this upper airway, this is called as upper airway. This upper airway has lot of protective mechanisms for us. First of all, see our hair, our nose has got hairs.
Yes.
So it traps all the larger particles into the
Yes.
air. Fine. Once the air goes inside, the nose has got a very wet epithelium, okay, wet mucosa. That wet mucosa, any dust particles, everything gets stuck to it. Okay. As you go deeper, there is something, okay, there is one defense mechanism which is a system of lymph nodes. A lymph node is what we commonly talk. General public talks about immune system. Okay, immunity banti hai, we develop immunity. If you get into the details, most of the immune process happens over here.
Okay.
So we have something called as tonsils. Behind our throat we have one organ called as adenoids.
Yeah.
Okay, and it forms a ring. There is
Okay.
a ring there. There is a ring of the lymphoid tissue. Now the function of this lymphoid tissue, this ring, is whenever any bacteria, as we grow, if you see, as we are small children, we get infected, fevers, running nose, common colds are very common.
Yeah.
Every now and then we get infected because that is the time when the child doesn't have an immunity. So every time the child gets affected by a bacteria or a virus, the first time the virus goes, it touches that Walde's ring.
Okay.
The Walde's ring picks up that bacteria or the virus, it breaks it into pieces, it identifies certain parts of that bacteria or the virus as something called as antigens. What we talk about COVID now, antigen testing and all these things. It identifies them as antigens and it takes these antigens inside the cell and develops antibody against it.
Okay.
Not only does it develop an antibody, it also keeps it in the memory that this virus had entered into my body or
Okay.
this bacteria had entered into my body. This memory is kept for entire lifetime.
Oh.
Yes. So next time, as you become 14, 15 years of age, you realize you suffer common colds, you suffer fevers. After 15, 16 years, you don't get them. Because now by the age of 15, 16 years, your body, your adenoids, your tonsils, your lymphatic system has been exposed to all different kinds of bacteria, all different kinds of viruses. So once you become big, any new virus, any same virus when you get affected, the body mounts a very rapid response. It develops antibodies. And why does it do it? Because it has a memory. It is a memory that this virus or this bacteria had come once upon a time into my body, and I have this memory, and I have a tool how to create antibodies against it. So this is very important. So now wearing mask all the time. Wearing mask all the time. I have seen people, holding their children, making them wear mask.
Yes.
Okay. It can be extremely dangerous. It can have long-term effects. Apparently, for short-term, for prevention of the COVID, you may feel that I am protecting my child by making him wear mask all the time. But you aren't actually. On a long-term basis, you are actually stopping his natural process
Yeah.
of developing antibodies and creating memory for fighting infections. So what I want to say that is, you cannot get obsessed by wearing mask and making your children wear mask all the time.
Yes.
You have to give a breather. You have to allow the natural system to work to create bacteria. COVID is not the only virus which is going to affect you and kill you. There are so many other diseases. So just to prevent COVID, you cannot bypass this system. It's absolutely unnatural.
Yes.
You just cannot do it. So you can imagine very well how bad effect the wearing mask can have.
Yes.
Yes, that's one thing. Second very important thing is, let's talk like this. How about you and me having this conversation wearing masks?
It's first of all, it's not comfortable. You
It's not
can't
comfortable.
breathe properly. You can't just figure it out from the eyes. You need to have the whole, the facial expression to me.
What you exactly said is that when we talk,
Yeah, it's
the
not that
complete meaning of any conversation happens when you look into the eyes of the person,
Yes.
when you look at the face of the person. Okay?
Yeah.
Now wearing a mask gets rid of accurate communications between us. Not only that, when a child is born, okay, when the mother looks at the baby, and when the children look at their mother, there are a lot of neurochemical changes which happen into the baby's mind as well as into the child's mind, mother's mind. Exactly. For a simple scientific fact is, there is something called as a letting down reflex, where the milk flows from the breast.
Okay.
That happens only when the mother looks at the baby, looks at the face of the baby, without which it will happen, but it will not happen so beautifully or so nicely. Okay. Similarly, as we humans communicate with one another, as we communicate with our children, as we communicate with our beloved, or as we communicate with our employees, the facial expressions are very important. That is how we have evolved over the years, and that is how we function day to day basis. Okay. And this functioning on routine basis, if we wear mask, okay, there can be a huge hampering in this process of communication,
Yeah.
leading to decreased productivity, leading to mental agonies, leading to mental diseases, which is a very very high possibility. Further, another important thing is, most important part of evolution is we attract a mate for ourselves by looking at the person's face. You see, when you move around in public, you will be liking certain people. You like certain employees. You don't like certain employees.
You get that vibe.
You get that vibe, exactly, yes. Even when you find a mate for yourself, the human body finds there is nothing in your hand. You like certain people, you don't like certain people.
That's sixth intuitions.
You may name it as sixth intuition, but the technicality in it is that the human body decides who is the right mate for you.
Okay.
Because it's all about genetic ressortment. There is a Darwin's theory by saying that existing genes will randomly mate, and they will randomly know which person to mate with, so a very strong progeny is produced. So, आपके जो next generation kids are going to be smart. They will be better of progeny as compared to you. Is detected only through so many factors. One of them is you identify the person through face, through communication, through his skills, through his scent.
Yeah.
So by wearing this face mask, by maintaining distances, okay, all what happens is you are interfering into the natural process of evolution.
We are hindering the natural process.
We are hindering into the natural process. So apparently we all may feel that we are doing very good by wearing a mask. So, we are wearing a mask, we are going out into the gatherings, and we are doing everything. But unknowingly, over a period of time, you would be actually interfering into the natural process of evolution.